R is the set of real numbers. If x belongs to R, under root of 12 minus x square by x plus 10 less than or equal to under root of 12 minus x square by 2x plus 9 is equal to the set of real numbers. Now we find the set of real numbers. Here is given under root of 12 minus x square by x plus 10, which is less than or equal to under root of 12 minus x square by 2x plus 9. From this, take common under root of 12 minus x square, take common. That is 1 by x plus 10, which is less than or equal to 1 by 2x plus 9. So that is root over 12 minus x square, that is 2x plus 9 minus x minus 10 less than or equal to 0. That is 2x minus x 9 minus, that is x minus 1 into under root of 12 minus x square less than or equal to 0. That is 12 minus x square. This is always greater than or equal to 0, and x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. This is x square plus x minus 12 less than or equal to 0, and x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. This is x plus 4 into x minus 3 less than or equal to 0, and x less than or equal to 1. From this, x belongs to minus 4 to 3, and x less than or equal to 1. From this, x belongs to, therefore x belongs to minus 4 to 1 union 3. This is the set of values of x. If alpha is a multiplicity of 3 of the equation x power 5 minus 8x power 4 plus 25x cube minus 38x square plus 28x minus 8 is equal to 0, then alpha square minus 5 alpha plus 6 is equal to dash. Here is alpha is a root of multiplicity 3 of the equation. So given equation f of x is equal to x to the power of 5 minus 8x to the power of 4 plus 25x cube minus 38x square plus 28x minus 8. This is f of x. First we find the value f of 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 5, that is 32 minus 8 into 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. 16 into 8, that is minus 128 plus 25 into 2 cube 8. 25 into 2, that is 200 minus 38 into 4, that is 152 plus 28 into 2, that is 56 minus 8. So calculate this value. F of 2 is equal to 0. That means 2 is a one root of the given equation. Now we find f dash x. F dash x is equal to derivative of x to the power of 5, that is 5x to the power of 4, 8x power 4, that is 32x cube plus 25x cube, that is 75x square minus 38x square, 38 into 2, that is 76x plus 28 minus 8, derivative is 0. Now we find f dash 2, substituting 2 in this. 2 power 4 is 16. 16 into 5, that is 8 minus 2 cube is 8. 8 into 32, that is 256 plus 75 into 4, that is 300 minus 76 into 2, that is 152 plus 28. From this f dash 2 is equal to also 0. So 2 is a second root of the given equation. Now we find f double dash x. F double dash x is equal to 5x power derivation, that is 20x cube minus 32 into 3, that is 96x square plus 150x minus 76. Now f double dash 2, substituting 2, that 8 into 2 160 minus 96 into 4, that is 384 plus 150 into 2 300 minus 76. From this, f double dash 2 is equal to 0. That means f of 2 is equal to 0 and f dash 2 is equal to 0, f double dash 2 is equal to 0. That means 2 is a multiplicity 3 of the given equation. So alpha is equal to 2. Substituting value in this, alpha square minus 5 alpha plus 6, that is 2 square is 4 minus 5 into 2 10 plus 6, that is equal to 10 minus 10, that is equal to 0. Here the value of alpha is 2. Cos x minus sin x is equal to root a sin x. Then a sin x plus cos x minus sin x is equal to dash. Here is given cos x minus sin x is equal to root a into sin x. So from this, cos x is equal to, take sin x common, that is root a plus 1 into sin x. So cos x is equal to, rationalizing, that is root a plus 1 into root a minus 1 by root a minus 1 is into sin x. Here is a plus b into a minus b, that is cos x is equal to a minus 1 by root a minus 1 into sin x, that is root a minus 1 into cos x is equal to a sin x minus sin x. From this, root a into cos x minus cos x is equal to a sin x minus sin x. So take minus cos x this side, that is a sin x plus cos x minus sin x is equal to root a into cos x. This is the answer. The items list 1 to the list of 2. Here is asking, first question is the period of sin square x. Period of sin square x, that means first take f of x is equal to sin square x. F of pi plus x is equal to sin square of pi plus x. That means sin square of 180 plus theta lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, that is minus sin x whole square, that is equal to sin square x. So f of x is equal to f of pi plus x. So period is equal to pi. So first A option, fifth one is the correct answer. And the maximum value of second one B. Maximum value of pi by 3 into root 3 cos 3x plus sin 3x. So maximum value is equal to c plus square root of a square plus b square, that is equal to, here is pi by 3 into root 3 cos 3x plus sin 3x, that is pi by 3 into c value is 0 plus under root of a square, root 3 whole square is 3 plus b square is 1, that is equal to root 3 plus 1, that is equal to root 4, that is 2 pi by 3. For B answer, 2 pi by 3, first one is correct answer. And the period of sin x by 3 plus cos x by 2. Third option C. Period of sin x by 3 plus cos x by 2. First period of sin x by 3 is that is equal to sin x period is 2 pi. Here is x coefficient is 1 by 3, that is equal to 2 pi by 1 by 3, that is equal to 6 pi. And the period of cos x by 2 is, that is equal to period of cos x is 2 pi. Here is x coefficient 1 by 2, that is equal to 2 pi by 1 by 2, that is equal to 4 pi. So next LCM of 6 pi comma 4 pi is, that is 12 pi. This is the period of cos x by 3 plus sin x by 2 for this. So for C option, second is matching. And fourth one, intersection of the points of y is equal to mod sin x and y is equal to 1 in 0 pi. So here is D. So y is equal to mod sin x and y is equal to 1 in the interval 0 comma pi. So y is equal to mod sin x and y is equal to 1, that is sin x is equal to 1, that x is equal to plus or minus pi by 2. So in 0 to pi, the point of intersection of the given curves is pi by 2. For this, third option for D, third option is correct answer. If cot theta by 2 is equal to square root of 1 plus a by 1 minus a into cot theta by 2, then find cos theta is equal to dash. Here is given cot a by 2 is equal to square root of 1 plus a by 1 minus a into cot theta by 2. Squaring on both sides, that is cot square a by 2 is equal to square root of whole square is, that is 1 plus a by 1 minus a into cot square theta by 2. Cot square a by 2, that is cos square a by 2 by sin square a by 2 is equal to 1 plus a by 1 minus a into cot square theta by 2 is cos square theta by 2 by sin square theta by 2. So that is take 1 plus a by 1 minus a, take this side, that is 1 minus a by 1 plus a into the value of cos square a by 2, that is 1 plus cos a by 2 by sin square a by 2 is 1 minus cos a by 2. 2 cancel, that is equal to cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta by 2 whole by sin square theta by 2 is 1 minus cos theta whole by 2. 2 cancel. So that is 1 minus a, 1 into 1, 1 minus a into 1 plus cos a minus small a cos a by 1 plus a minus cos a minus small a cos a is equal to 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Now we are applying componendo and dividend. Componendo and dividend, that is numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator, that is equal to 1 minus a plus cos a minus small a cos a plus 1 plus a minus cos a minus a cos a whole by 1 minus a plus cos a minus small a cos a minus 1 minus a plus cos a plus small a cos a is equal to 1 plus cos theta plus 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta minus 1 plus cos theta. It is plus a minus a cancelled, and cos a minus cos a cancelled. That is, here is minus 1 plus 1 cancelled, and minus a cos a plus a cancelled. From this cos theta cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 cancelled. That is, here is 1 plus 1, that is 2 minus 2a cos a by cos a plus cos a, that is 2 cos a minus minus a, that is minus 2a, is equal to 1 plus 1 2 by 2 cos theta. Both sides here 2 common and cancel. That is 1 minus a cos a by cos a minus a is equal to 1 by cos theta. From this, cos theta is equal to cos a minus small a by 1 minus small a into cos a. This is the value of cos a. If sin theta into cos h alpha is equal to tan x, comma cos theta into sin h alpha is equal to sec x, then cos 2 theta into cos h2 alpha is equal to dash. So here is given first cos theta into sin h alpha is equal to secant x. So squaring on both sides, that is cos square theta into sin h square alpha is equal to secant square x. And the second relation is sin theta into cos h alpha is equal to tan x. Again squaring on both sides, that is sin square theta into cos h square alpha is equal to tan square x. So right hand side secant square x, tan square x. So we know the formula for these two, subtracting these two, that is cos square theta into sin h square alpha minus sin square theta into cos h square alpha is equal to secant square x minus tan square x. We know that this value secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. Now cos square theta into sin h square alpha minus sin square theta value is 1 minus cos square theta into cos h square alpha is equal to 1. So cos square theta into sin h square alpha minus cos h square alpha plus cos square theta into cos h square alpha is equal to 1. Take cos square theta common, that is sin h square alpha plus cos h square alpha minus cos h square alpha is equal to 1. We know that sin h square alpha plus cos h square alpha, that is cos square theta into that value is cos h2 alpha minus cos h square alpha, that is 1 plus cos h2 alpha by 2 is equal to 1. So to take LCM, that is 2 cos square theta into cos h2 alpha minus 1 minus cos h2 alpha is equal to 1 into 2, 2. Take cos h2 alpha common. Cos h2 alpha take common, that is 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3. 2 cos square theta minus 1, that is cos h2 alpha into 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 alpha, that is equal to 3. That is done. Let capital A 2 comma 3 and capital B 3 comma minus 5 be two vertex of triangle ABC. C is a point on the line. Then the locus of the centroid of triangle ABC is a line parallel to that. Here is given the points capital A 2 comma 3 and capital B 3 comma minus 5. C is a point, that is C is taken as x comma y, and the centroid of the triangle is G is taken as h comma k. Now find the centroid of triangle ABC is G, that is G is equal to 2 plus 3 plus x by 3 comma 3 minus 5 plus y by 3. So therefore h comma k is equal to 2 plus 3, that is 5 plus x by 3. 3 minus 5, that is minus 2 plus y by 3. So from this h is equal to 5 plus x by 3 and k is equal to minus 2 plus y by 3. So 3h is equal to 5 plus x. From this 3k is equal to minus 2 plus y. So from this x is equal to 3h minus 5 and y is equal to 3k plus 2. So this point C x comma y lies on the line. 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Substituting x comma y in this equation, therefore 3 into x value 3h minus 5 plus 4 into 3k plus 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. That is 9h minus 15 plus 12k plus 8 minus 5 is equal to 0. That is 9h plus 12k minus 15 minus 20 minus 20 plus 8, that is equal to minus 12 is equal to 0. Take 3 common, that is 3h plus 4k minus 4 is equal to 0. So that line is parallel to, that is locus of G is 3x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. This locus is parallel to given line L is equal to 0. If the normal form of the equation of a straight line 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, and its intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Then p sec alpha by ab is equal to dash. Here is given the straight line 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Normal form of this, that is minus 4x minus 3y is equal to 2. Dividing the equation by root of a square plus b square, that is root of a square is minus 4 whole square 16 minus 3 whole square is 9, that is root 25 is equal to 5. So that is minus 4 by 5 into x minus 3 by 5 into y is equal to 2 by 5. This is the normal form, that is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. From this cos alpha is equal to minus 4 by 5 comma sin alpha is equal to minus 3 by 5 and p is equal to 2 by 5. And intercept form of this line, that is 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. That is minus 4x minus 3y is equal to 2. Dividing the equation by 2, minus 4x by 2 minus 3y by 2 is equal to 1. This is x by minus 2 by 4 plus y by minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1. From this a is equal to minus 2 by 4 and b is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now we find the value of p sec alpha by AB. So p value is 2 by 5 into sec alpha. Here cos alpha is minus 4 by 5, that is sec alpha is minus 5 by 4 by AB minus 2 by 4 into minus 2 by 3. Here is 5 cancelled, 2 times cancelled, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 2 into 2 4 by 12, that is 2 into 2 4 cancel minus, that is equal to 3 by 1, that is equal to minus 3 by 2. The value of p sec alpha by AB is minus 3 by 2. The order and degree of the differential equation d square y by dx square plus y plus dy by dx minus dq y by dx cube whole to the power of 3 by 2 is equal to 0 or respectively. Here is given equation d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square plus y is equal to minus of dy by dx plus d cube y by dx cube whole to the power of 3 by 2. So squaring on both sides, d square y by dx square plus y whole square is equal to, here is minus whole square is positive, that is dy by dx plus d cube y by dx cube whole cube. So from this d square y by dx square, the order of this is 2 and d cube y by dx cube order is 3. Here is highest order is equal to 3 and the power of the highest order is called degree. Degree is equal to d cube y by x cube whole cube, that is order is 3 and degree is. The general solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 3y plus 4 by 3x plus 2y minus 7 is dash. Take cross multiplication, that is 3x plus 2y minus 7 into dy is equal to 2x minus 3y plus 4 into dx, that is 3 into x dy plus 2 into y dy minus 7 dy is equal to 2x into dx minus 3y into dx plus 4 dx, that is here 3x dy minus 3y dx. Take this side, that is 3 common, x dy plus y dx plus, and take dy common, that is 2y minus 7 into dy is equal to, here is 2x plus 4 into dx. Now take integration on both sides, that is this is 3 constant, integration of this is derivative of xy plus 2 into y integration, that is 2y square by 2 minus 7y is equal to 2x square by 2 plus 4x plus c. Here is 2 to cancel, here is 2 to cancel. Derivation integration cancel, that is equal to 3xy plus y square minus 7y is equal to x square plus 4x plus c. From this, x square minus y square minus 3xy plus 4x plus 7y is equal to c. This is the general solution of the general solution of dy by dx is equal to x plus y plus 1 by y minus x plus 1. Take cross multiplication, that is y minus x plus 1 into dy is equal to x plus y plus 1 into dx. This is y plus 1 into dy minus x dy is equal to x plus 1 into dx plus y dx. Take x dy, take this side, that is y plus 1 into dy is equal to x plus 1 into dx plus x dy plus y dx. This is y plus 1 into dy is equal to x plus 1 into dx plus derivative of xy. Now take integration on both sides. So y plus 1 into dy integration is y plus 1 whole square by 2 is equal to x plus 1 whole square by 2 plus integration derivation cancel, that is xy plus c, that is equal, therefore y plus 1 whole square is equal to x plus 1 whole square plus 2xy plus 2c. So this is y plus 1 whole square minus x plus 1 whole square minus 2xy is equal to another constant c.